Welcome to our restaurant lesson. Today, we'll practice how to order food in English. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm hungry already.
Perfect! Imagine you walk into a restaurant. What do you say?
Hello?
Good start. But you can say, "Hello, table for one, please."
Oh, table for one, please.
Excellent! Everyone watching, say it with us. Table for one, please. Now, the waiter gives you the menu. You see something you don't understand. What do you ask?
What is this?
Correct. But more polite is, "Excuse me, could you tell me what this is?"
Excuse me, could you tell me what this is?
Perfect. You can also ask, "Is this dish spicy?"
Is this dish spicy?
Great. Or, "Is this vegetarian?"
Is this vegetarian?
Wonderful. Okay, viewers, your turn. Say one of those questions. Sometimes it's hard to choose. What can you ask the waiter?
What do you like?
Not bad. A common way is, "What do you recommend?"
What do you recommend?
Excellent. Another option, "What's popular here?"
What's popular here?
Perfect. Okay, now it's time to order. What do you say?
I want pizza.
Good, but let's make it more polite. "I'd like a pizza, please."
I'd like a pizza, please.
Excellent. You can also say, "I'd like a burger, please," or "I'd like some pasta, please."
I'd like a burger, please.
Perfect. And if you want a drink, you can say, "Could I have some water, please?"
Could I have some water, please?
Nice. Okay, viewers, your turn. Order your favorite food. During the meal, maybe you need something. How do you ask for a napkin?
Can I have a napkin?
Close. Say, "Could I have an extra napkin, please?"
Could I have an extra napkin, please?
Perfect. You can also say, "Could I have a spoon, please?" Or, "Could I have a fork, please?"
Could I have a fork, please?
Great. Now you've finished eating. You want to pay. What do you say?
I want to pay.
That works, but a natural way is, "Could we have the bill, please?" Or, "Check, please."
Check, please.
Nice. Everyone watching, repeat after us. Check, please. Finally, you leave the restaurant. What do you say?
Goodbye?
That's okay. But you can also say, "Thank you. Everything was delicious."
Thank you. Everything was delicious.
Perfect. Okay, viewers, time for a quick challenge. I'll be the waiter. You order your food. Ready? Go. "I'd like..." Excellent. Now try to order something. Go. Next challenge. Ask me for an extra napkin. Excellent. Last challenge. Ask for the bill. Wonderful. Today we learned how to ask for a table, ask about the menu, ask for recommendations, order food like pizza, burger, or pasta, ask for extra napkins, ask for the bill, say goodbye politely.
I can order pizza, burger, and pasta in English now.
That's right. Keep practicing. Watch this video again, and next time you go to a restaurant, try these phrases.
See you next time.